see. Are you joking? Oh my gosh. Isn't it pretty? I have quite an overwhelming task. I have everything, all this, that needs to get into my van. Okay guys, it is time for me to leave Sweden in just a short amount of time, but I really need to prepare my car first. So the first thing I have ordered and I'm gonna fix is my heater, because it's gonna be cold during the winter. So I need to fix my heater, and if you follow me on Instagram for a longer period of time, you know I've been without a heater for a long time. So I'm pretty annoyed about the heater situation, because I had a new heater before when I left Sweden for the first time, 2023, and it was working like 5 times, and then it just died. And now for this winter, I really want the heater to work. So now I've ordered a new one, and I still had the warranty, and I used it one time and then it died. And after a while, they sent me this new like motherboard or something. So I'm gonna change that. And I've also ordered a lot of like environmental stickers for my car. Oh, I have the environmental stickers. I also have this very good card from, in Sweden we have something called Försäkringskassan. So for this card, I have an insurance in the whole Europe. And I can just show this card to the hospital if something happens. But let's start with this and changing this, so I hope I have some heat. So this is my lovely heater. Hello, Tindra. She's with me. I'm gonna show you first what's happening when I'm trying to turn on the heater.
Start heating.
Starting. Nothing is happening here.
Check fan or motor.
And it says error 06. Ta-da! Now it's gone. Let's take the new one. Okay. The new. Okay, the moment of truth is here. Let's start.
Start heating.
Let's see.
Check fan or motor.
Are you joking? One of the things I really wanted to do before leaving Sweden was to swap out my roof window for a fan. It gets crazy hot in the van sometimes, and I felt so limited, especially when I have Tindra with me. So I ordered this fan that everyone had been raving about. Luckily, my good friend Marcus said to me to stop by, and he will help to install it. Handsome and handy. What more could you ask for?
Där hade vi en skruva i, tror jag.
I might be the happiest girl on the planet now when I have this. Mwah! Something I really want to do before I leave is to fix my garage. So back here I am gonna put up like a curtain. So when I have my back doors open, no one is gonna look into my garage. It have annoyed me that it's just a big mess, and not everyone should see what I have in my back. So this is the curtain I have. I have 2 of these, so I'm gonna shorten it because it's obviously way too long. I am also gonna use this like wire. Put this on. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Isn't it pretty? I mean, Fantastic! I have quite an overwhelming task. I have everything, all this, that needs to get into my van. It's so much stuff. Like in the beginning, when I arrived to Sweden, I didn't have this bicycle. And now I do. So I need to get rid of a lot of stuff. I already don't have a lot of stuff. But now I need to fit everything. No, it won't be possible. So I think I need to get everything into one box. And the thing is also that I need to have like an area for Tindra to walk on so she can go back to the toilet. Which means I can't just like stuff everything in. I need to have room for her to walk. And because I don't have any other place to put her litter box. Something I need to do is to clean everything. Before I put everything in. Ta-da! I've got rid of everything now. And I still have a lot of room left in my car. Like, just look at this. Oh my God. I'm so happy about this. What I still need to do inside here is to have a litter box here, a little bit more water, and I also waiting for a new grill. Something I've been doing is to order a lot of stuff before I leave Sweden. And so for instance here, I think this is like a face cream. I've ordered, you know, shampoo. I've ordered some food that I really want to have with me. And I've also ordered this. I ordered 10 kilo of cat food, so I know I have it for a long time, because I know that my cat really, Tindra, she really loves this food. I've also bought other kind of cat food, like the wet food. So yeah, now it's just for me to, you know, get shit together. I need to organize everything in my car. I need to set up, I also got here actually. This I ordered from Amazon. And this I'm so excited to put up because this is a shoe organizer. I'm gonna show you. On this wall, I am thinking to put up these. Choop, choop, choop. I have 4 of these. Yeah, and then I also have new hooks. And here are some products I just received in the mail. I've purchased everything, so I'm not sponsored. It's just things that I really love and miss when I'm out driving. And some food. The thing I am going to set up today is the environmental stickers. I have stickers for Austria, I have for Germany and France. And the reason you need it is because in some cities in these countries you can't go into different zones if you don't have the right stickers on. So that's why I bought the stickers, and these stickers aren't I can't give it to someone else. It's just for my car. And they said I should put it on the right side, either in the upper or in the lower corner. So I chose to have it in the lower corner. I think this is for Germany, if I don't remember wrong. So this is for France. So how you purchase the environmental stickers is on a website. For me as a Swedish person, it was a big hassle, I have to say, to find all the spots that where you can, you know, go in and purchase them. But I had a Swedish website that I went into and bought it from. So I will put a link for the Swedish people down in the description below. But I will also find for you guys how you abroad can find the environmental stickers and purchase them from the countries themselves. The thing is, if you don't have those and you go into these areas where you need to have the environmental stickers, well, of course, then you are risking to get a big fine. And something else I know is very helpful is that I have this app. I'm gonna show you here. In this app, you can add what kind of stickers you have, and you can see on each city if your car is allowed to be in these zones. So this app can really help you when you're out and about in Europe and don't know if you are allowed to go into a city or not. The last thing I do is to get help from Marcus here to help me to change the heater system, because I've had, you know, the Chinese heaters and it have just been terrible. So now he's helping me to change the heater once and for all. Now I paid a lot of money for it, so now I hope and pray for it will work. This time I went with the Autotherm 2 kilowatt diesel heater, which I've read great things about online. In Sweden, it set me back around 700 euros. Fingers crossed, it will keep me warm through the colder nights. So the day have come when I am leaving Sweden. Thank you to my brother. Thank you for helping. Yeah, you have been helping me this morning because I was so stressed because I needed to get my car up and running. So thank you. I love you. Varsågod. So what Thomas helped me to do was to put, like, I don't know what to call it in English. Do you know?
Core list.
The core list. Yeah, this thing he helped me, and also yesterday I tried to start my diesel heater, but yeah, it was something wrong. So he helped me to change the diesel pump. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now I'm leaving Sweden. Do you have any final words? How is it to have a sister that is doing van life? What do you say?
Good luck. Ja, men good luck and have fun.
Have fun. How do you feel? Do you think I'm a little bit crazy?
Yes and no.
Yes and no. In what way am I crazy?
Start with the fact that you live in a car full time. Poop in the bag.
You think I'm a little weirdo? Am I the black sheep in the family?
Well, you have the most color in the family, at least.